Hey everybody, Don Wenner here. So you've probably heard about the power of compounding. And one of my favorite stories that always comes to mind to me when I think about compounding is the Domino story that maybe you've heard of. But if not, the story is, or the fact is, I should say, that if you took a domino just millimeters large, and then you took the next domino that was big enough that the first domino could knock it over, I think it can be 50% bigger, something to that effect. By the time you got to the 29th domino, you could knock down the Empire State Building. So it just shows the effect of compounding over the course of just 29 dominoes, over going from millimeters up to 50% growth, or whatever the exact percentage is of each domino. You could take down the tallest building in the world. And the same is true in a lot of other aspects of life. If you focus on improving some aspect of your life and just get a little bit better at it, each day or week or month, the results over the course of time is pretty tremendous. Well, the same is true with investments. And I'm a huge believer that the first most important aspect of investing money and building wealth over time is not losing money. When you have huge ups and downs, it can be pretty surprising with where your return ends up. I'm actually going to tell you guys a story in the upcoming webinar here about earning 20% return and how great that could sound, but you could actually end up losing money earning a 20% return. And I'll talk more about that during the webinar. But the power of compounding can be tremendous if you're not losing money, number one, and then you're earning some level of consistent return over the course of time. And that consistent return level will typically outperform much higher quote-unquote average returns in other investments that have fluctuations. So jump on our webinar here we have coming up. Hear about the power of compounding returns. I promise you'll be shocked with how powerful the compounding returns are. As much as you may have heard of it, you might have heard some of the great quotes and so forth. People like Albert Einstein saying, compounding returns or compounding interest is the most powerful force in the universe. But I think you'll be still a bit surprised. So join us here about compounding returns, how we really focus on that mindset at DLP, and how we believe you as investors should focus on investing in investment opportunities that can generate consistent compounding returns as at least part of your investment portfolio. Look forward to talking to you then. Bye-bye.